As your food chain expands, operational hurdles multiply. From equipment breakdowns to supply chain delays, unorganized requests can overwhelm your team, impacting service quality and customer satisfaction. Aveeros Cloud Help Desk brings order to the kitchen. Our system helps you manage requests from individual branches, vendors, and customers through clear workflows and real-time updates. Turn chaos into clarity with our Simplified Dashboard. Instantly track the status of a fryer repair or a delivery discrepancy across work in process, QA, and closed states. Identify recurring bottlenecks, like frequent oven malfunctions or data corrections in your POS, to ensure your branches stay running at peak efficiency. Monitor performance with resolution analytics to ensure your maintenance teams meet their service level agreements, SLAs. With our See All capability, regional managers gain the governance needed for large-scale operations, allowing for smart resource allocation across all locations. From the tech team resolving hardware issues to the QA team acting as the final gatekeeper for food safety standards, every responsibility is clearly defined. Start as a standalone support system or integrate seamlessly with the Aveeros ERP ecosystem for a fully connected supply chain. Ready to transform your food chain operations? Visit us at www.aveeros.com or email sales@aveeros.com to schedule your demo today. Aveeros, smart support for smarter business.